Well, good day, viewers. Good day. And today is Friday, December 6th, I believe. I'll have to look at my phone here and see for sure. Just hang on a second. Yes, December 6th already. So here I am at my son's place again today. We've got the battery charger going on the little Ford tractor. I'm kind of thinking that we ruined the battery, I think. But anyway, we'll keep trying to charge it a bit and see if it comes back. So the key had been left on, I guess, for probably 4 or 5 days anyway. Yeah. Anyway, that's the way it goes. It's pretty easy to do. And we don't know if I did it or if he did it, but anyway, doesn't matter. It was left on. So I'm hoping to get it going today and maybe let you hear it running and then we can have a little chat about that, I suppose. Weather, I'm kind of, well, it's not a very nice day. It's about 70 kilometers an hour wind. A wee little bit of snow coming down. Supposed to be -2 all day, I believe. All right, so we get to turn around here and see what goes on. I am waiting for the beep, 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 beep again, so he's coming back with another load. So we got the fire going here and got my coffee up on top. It's the same stove as I have at home. Yeah, it works pretty good in here. He does have a heat pump in here that keeps, heat pump up there that keeps the place at around 10 degrees, so that's pretty good. So if you come in, get the wood stove going for a little bit, you're up to temperature quickly, and that's good. There, that's the end of that coffee. And there is a coffee coming for me, apparently, so that's good. Yeah, this blower, I got more in my mind here. I remembered more things, so I better tell you about that, I guess. And I did think of this quite a while ago, about this blower, why it was kind of screwy. It's a counterclockwise throwing system, and it's here and on a clockwise PTO tractor. So anyway, what we want to do with this is put the trim clad clear to it. Everybody has their own thoughts, I guess, as to what to put on. I put the trim clad clear on. That's what I found worked good, so everybody has their thing. Now, and you can still kind of see a bit of the shine there from when it was done last year. So our main goal is to get the interior of that blower done. And the main part of that interior is this chute. All down in around this area. And down in there where the this section here where the paddle throws it up from, and all the paddles on the impeller. Then get on to the inside part of it here. And I think he's going to do the outside too. We did that last year. This here, it makes the snow slide off a little easier. Yeah, so I was saying that this was probably made for a European tractor, because there is 1 or 2 European compact tractors that the PTO runs counterclockwise. And I'm getting off track here, I guess, but the Farmalls, the Farmall Cub is the only Farmall that runs the PTO counterclockwise. This Farmall 100 will turn clockwise, right where that yellow cap is there. Anyway, so me thinking that this was probably made for one of those European tractors, I'm kind of thinking that's not really right, although it would work on one of those. My thinking is that this blower would have been a front mount blower on a tractor. So you kind of imagine that on the front. So the PTO, if it was coming out the front, would be going clockwise. And that would be the way that that would have to run. It would be clockwise on the front of the tractor. So that's what I kind of think. And I figured that out a year or two ago. I kind of forgot, I guess, when I was trying to explain this all the other day. So I think it was probably a front mount blower that was manufactured. So, and as you can see here, this framework here doesn't necessarily look factory. So that is my thinking, that it was made for a front mount tractor or a front snowblower. So anyway, that's my thinking, I guess. So I still think it's a McKee, but I guess I am not really sure about that. I better have a look here and see if the beep 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 is coming. No beep 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 yet. Anyway, he'll be along, I guess. So that's just my little bit on that, I suppose. So either way, it would work good. It's a full size normal blower, that's for sure. 52-inch. If it had a 25 horse engine, the tractor, it would probably even work a little bit better. But anyway, they don't. So what we do, and I've done it in the past, is if you don't have the horsepower, well then you change the gearing to make it work better. So, which I have done on Kablooey to make the deck run better. 50-inch deck runs on a 10 horsepower engine, so it works by changing the gearing. Let's have another look here. I think I heard something, but I don't know. No. Not here yet. Anyway, he's supposed to be here around 10 o'clock, so he's still a bit early. But yesterday he was a lot earlier than what he said he was going to be, so you just never know. Anyway, we'll see if we can get this thing started up and see if we can hear this thing going. Just hang on a second here now, and I'll see if I can get her going here. All right, we're going to see if we can get her started up here. I'll have to disconnect the battery charger and see if she'll go. And we'll see if we can get the blower to turn and we can hear the sound of the blower, I guess. It'll take a few minutes to do all that, so just hang on a few minutes. That's some smooth sounding blower, that. Too bad I don't have a comparison video from last year. Boy, it's some quiet compared to what it was. All right, we'll set you back up here and I'll shut her down. Yes, sirree. I think that's going to work pretty good. We'll have to wait and see, I guess. Hopefully we can get some snow, and hopefully we don't. So, anyway. So, yeah, I guess somebody at some point had this tractor without a blower, maybe, and somehow they had found this snowblower, which I believe is a front mount blower, and they figured out how to run it from the back of the tractor. So that's kind of neat. Anyway, hopefully tomorrow we'll get to the putting the trim clad on. I don't know if I'll take a video of that or not. I think you've probably seen enough of that stuff. So anyway, have a great day wherever you're at and whatever you're doing. I got to hook up the charger again now on there. Goodbye.